Hello everybody, welcome. Second video again today. Now, today I'm going to be doing, I have had this before, but we're going to have this for tea, so I just thought I'd cook it. I don't know if you've had it. It's two-step curry sauce from Morrison's. I mean, it used to be 80p I think, but it's nearly £1 now. But you've got the sauce and you've got the seasoning all in top. It's well worth it and it tastes lovely, to be fair. So let me show you what I've got. It's only going to be a basic one because the kids don't like vegetables. Well, the one lad doesn't like vegetables. The missus doesn't like peas. So I'm just going to do a chicken and an onion. But let me show you anyway. Well, I've got a diced onion. I've chopped all that up. I've got myself some diced chicken. So I got the sauce. I don't know if you've tried that before, but I really like it, I do. And it's nice and simple and all. Got myself some plain naans. I do like coriander naans, but the others don't, so we just get plain. And we've got 2 basmati rices. So they're 2 minutes in the microwave. They're nice and simple then. The whole lot cost me about £6.50. So for a nice meal, family of 4, you're laughing. So anyway, first things first, I'm going to get some oil in the pan. Just going to put it on low, just get some oil in the pan, just only a drop. Get that warmed up. Right, I'm going to get my onions in. Just get them sizzling. Get them a bit translucent, as they say. And while they're doing the thing, I'm just going to salt some chicken. I say this stuff, it's really, really nice, you know. I really like it, I do. For something so simple. I'm going to put a bit of salt on the chicken. And I'll mix all that in as I put it in. I say if you don't know, I mean that's the lid. And you just got the spices inside. There you go, look, there's your spice. Now it says, put your chicken in and then put your mix on top, but I've found that I like to put the mix on the onions and it tastes better. Right, and I usually get the mix, it's usually a bit hard. I usually just get a spoon and smash it together. And it, just so you don't get no lumps when you stick it in, that's all. And I usually put it on top of the onions, I find it tastes better than putting it on top of the chicken. And I just get out a mix. Just like so. And just get your chicken in. Like so. And just get your chicken till it goes a bit white, you know, and then get your sauce in, put it on for 15 minutes. Job's a good one. Turn it up a little bit now the chicken's in. It's about halfway. I let that do its things for 10 minutes, well 5 minutes till it goes white. Well, that's all got covered now with the seasoning as well. Looking nice now. Then I'm going to get the madras sauce in. I can open it, there we go. Pile it in. So it's so simple these are. And then I just stick a little drop of water in to get the rest out in the jar. Don't need a lot. Give it a shake. Pour it in. So it's simple curry, man. Nice simple curry. So I ain't got nothing in it because, I mean, I like peas and carrots and everything I do. But the one lad doesn't like any of that, the other lad doesn't like tomatoes and the wife doesn't like peas. So we just have that sort I can do without. Right, then just put it on to simmer for about 15 minutes and this job's a good one. Right, that's about done now, so I'm just going to take the lid off so it thickens up. Looking nice now. Lovely. Just going to put that right on low, make sure it's on low. Now I'm going to put my pan on. That on, that's on. Pan's on, and I'm going to do my naans. Now we use butter on our naans. Find it tastes a lot better. So there's the naans, 2 in a pack. They're 55 pence each they are, that's all they are. Well worth it. Get some butter on, both sides. Right, finish buttering both sides. Buttered them all up. They're all done. I'm just going to get 2 in at a time. Nice little sizzle. Should be able to get 2 in, I usually can. There we go. And while they're doing, I'm just going to get my rice. Get a thingy, microwave 2 minutes, so simple. So I just keep checking them. It's only take a couple of minutes. So we use butter because it gives them that extra bit of a softer flavour, softer taste. Use oil if you want, I suppose. But they're done now then. Nice and soft, lovely. Hot. Get the next 2 in. That's just enough time, look. One rice is done. Curry's looking nice, look at that. Gorgeous. Lovely. So I have had them before. I just thought I'd show you in case you haven't had them. 2-step curry sauce, it's really nice. Right, let's dish it up. The other rice is about finished. I can open this rice. There we go. Say these rices are for 2, so I mean, you can have one yourself if you're really hungry, I suppose. Get all the mash up. Now we'll get a spoonful of curry. Oh yes. Nice thick sauce. Say, it's gorgeous, this stuff. It's gorgeous. Little piece of chicken on it. And a lovely naan bread. Look at that. Oh yes. But there we go then, look at that. 15-minute curry, naan bread, madras, chicken madras, rice. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. For the price. 15-minute curry. Nice bit of kick as well. Well, we're going to go and eat that now for tea. I just thought I'd show you that. Two-step curry sauce. We have it quite often. Thanks for watching. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye.